Hello and welcome back or welcome to my channel. My name is Tori and today I have a update for the Colourpan project pan. This project was created by Misty. As always, she will be listed down below, as well as the master list for this project, because this is a fantastic ladies collab. The last update I literally posted, a week ago? Because I was late to editing it. Let me check my receipts. The day I'm filming this is the day it's ideally supposed to go up. Today's the 18th. And my last update was 12 days ago. So let's talk about what has changed, what is our progress, and all that jazz. So I have two things rolling out. The first thing rolling out is the Colourpop Quint in Harmony. Since the last update, I hit the 4 uses I need to hit its goal of 5 uses. So that goal was hit on the 13th of May. Very happy. I really enjoyed using this palette. Happy I got to give it love because I got this. I got this in a mystery box. And yeah. It was during the time where I kept buying makeup but wasn't wearing it. So very happy to finally get use out of that. And I really do enjoy this Quint. So love that. And the other goal that was hit was for the eyeliner. This is Colourpop Street Ball. It is a, I need to be careful with it because it's very loose. Ignore all the cuts on my hand. Had a fight with the rabbit. Not really. He tried to jump and I told him he couldn't jump. And so I got kicked for it, and it is what it is. And by jump, I mean he tried to jump like out of my arm, something unsafe. So what I get for trying to save him, but is what it is. He's fine. Since the last update, Street Ball needed 6 uses. Those 6 uses were hit on May 15th. So very happy both of them are rolling out. This was the goal in the last update. To hit that usage goal so they could roll out. So now I'm going to show you guys everything that I pulled in last update. Sadly, these items have not been focused on. So just a quick recap from the High School Musical collab. I have Playoff. The goal is to use Playoff 20 times. Big Tough Girl from the Disney Masquerade collection. The goal is to use it 20 times. I low-key want to try to hit pan, but we'll see what happens. And then Colourpop Super Shock in Ice Stream. My goal is to hit pan. I'm excited to use this one. So, to complement them, I am pulling in another palette and another eyeliner. So, eyeliner first. I'm pulling in Colourpop's Good Reef. So, Good Reef will have a goal of being used 10 times. It is a very, kind of a true pink, pretty much. I don't really want to call it a baby pink. It's a true pink. So, 10 uses on Good Reef. And the palette I'm pulling in is another Quint. And this is the palette Duet. This is another one where I think it looks like I've used it once. Yeah. But I don't really remember how I felt about it. The goal with this will be to use it 5 times. I'm not wearing it today, but I think that this could have easily paired with the look I am wearing today. So this should be fun. This should also be easy. I don't know specifically which goals I want to hit before the next update, but it would be kind of cool if I could keep going, rotating out the palettes and the eyeliners, because I do have a lot and I need to test them all. But we shall see. We shall see what happens, because I don't know. I really don't know. So, obviously for next update, I would like some usage on the blushes, the blush, the highlighter, and the Super Shock. In the last 12 days, I just didn't roll it into my makeup basket, so it was not used. My bad, my fault. But this is this short and sweet update. I'm very happy that I hit those goals because if I didn't wear makeup, it definitely wasn't going to be plausible. But because I put those goals on me, I was very determined to hit them. So my old ways are slowly but surely coming back to me. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have an amazing day or night whenever you are watching this. Bye.